Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Princeton, local and long distance movers near me. Our long distance moving services give you plenty of options, including packing and unpacking services, moving supplies, and on time move and upfront pricing. We provide everything you need for your long distance move. Whether you want a very basic move from us or a full service option, we can handle it. Our team will help you move 100 miles, 1,000 miles, or much further. An Illinois moving company gives you plenty of benefits for your local move. It might not seem like you need professional help for a short distance local move, but do you really want to do the heavy lifting? A team of movers will help you pack up your furniture and other items for you, and this can save you time and energy. When you choose 3 Movers, you get a streamlined process for your move. We know how to get to your new location faster. If your move would take you all weekend, we can do it in one afternoon. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Princeton moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, residential moving, furniture moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.